Hello, Excel enthusiastic. Welcome back to the channel. So today also we'll learn VLOOKUP errors which should be avoided. So VLOOKUP, let's apply VLOOKUP over here. Select the table. Let's freeze the table. Column number and exact match. So as you can see, even the name over here is there, like Priya is there over here, and also the second name over is there, Sati. Still the value has not shown. This is because there is a space over like here. So to avoid this, what you will do, you just add over here trim function. So as you can see, the data has appeared. So in this way you can use VLOOKUP with trim function. Like our video, please keep following Excel up for more such Excel videos. Thank you.